Alright, now let me quickly show you guys how to solve limit with your Casio calculator. Now let's say we are limiting a particular function to a particular value. This calculator here now is digital, can solve limit directly. See, let's say s is approaching 0, and the function we're actually looking at is, let's say we have s squared. Remember how to press s is alpha close bracket, the s squared minus 1, then divided by s minus 1 divided by x minus 1 by x minus 1 minus 1. So you see the answer to the question is going to be 1. Now if for the ordinary calculator, let's say you are using this particular calculator, this kind of calculator. So for those of you using the manual calculator, look how to do this particular question. So what you are going to do is to locate the function first. Write out the function. Let's say we are limiting this function. The function is s squared. So you just click on this division button. You click on your s, then you square it minus 1. Then divided by s minus 1, x minus 1. Then look at this. We are limiting this function now to at x approaches 0. So you're going to press a number very close to 0. So what is the next thing? You first of all click on this calculate. That calculate. Then x is approaching 0. You see what s is equal to what? It's approaching, that is not equal to 0. It is going closer, moving closer and closer to 0. So you press number very close to 0, which is 0.000000000. You can just press it as many as you like. Then you press equal to. Then you press equal to for this. You see the answer will still be 1. So there are two ways of solving limits with your calculator. Let's say you want to solve this question, and this particular question, let's say we have this. Let's say we have this. Let's say we have this particular question. Let's say we have to limit this function. Although I've already given you guys a shortcut for this sign. Say sign 5x and 5x over sine 10x over sine 10x over sine 10x. And we already know that the answer to this question, if you have been following up this channel, if you are limiting this value now, sine at s approaches 0, as it approaches 0, then the answer to the question is going to be 1 over 2, which is 5 over 10. But let me show you how to solve with calculator. Next, you press calculate. S approaches 0, which is 0.000000. Then press a number very close to 1, very close to 0, which is this. You press equal to, which is 0.5. 0.5, which is the same thing as 1 over 2 or 5 over 10. So if it's also like this, you still give you the same answer. Let's say we also have this question this way. So have it this way. So also have it this way. So also having 5x as s is still approaching 0. So you don't say just say calculate. S approaches 0, which is 0.000, a number very close to 0. You press 1, you press equal to. It's still 0.5. So I've already give you guys shortcuts to this. So this is how we roll.